SBA.
This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Bureau, Carroll, Cook, Duptown, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane,
Thank you.
Kentucky, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Windsor,
For my county.
Little Lake Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois.
For my county.
Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Lake Michigan from Windsor Harbor to Little Lake Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid Lake. And Lake Michigan from Little Lake Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Guys,
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Thunderstorm warning for County in north central Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Northern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wind Lake Tacoma to Janesville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hebron around 7:10 p.m. Richmond around 7:15 p.m. Wonder Lake, Spring Grove, Ringwood, and Greenwood around 7:20 p.m. McHenry, Woodstock, Fox Lake, and Bull Valley around 7:25 p.m. Harvard, Lake Mirror, Poplar Grove, Volo, Capron, and Caledonia around 7:30 p.m. Round Lake and Island Lake around 7:35 p.m. Zion, Wakonda, Winthrop Harbor, and Wadsworth around 7:40 p.m. Waukegan, Gurnee, Beach Park, Hawthorne Woods, and Tower Lakes around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Fox Lake Hills, Round Lake Park, Haynesville, Round Lake Heights, Old Mill Creek, Fox River Valley, Lake Barrington, Crystal Lake, Round Lake Beach, and Cary. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 11. This includes Chain O Lake State Park, College of Lake County Fielders Baseball, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, and Six Flags Great America. These storms have a history of producing widespread wind damage across southeast Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and adjacent open waters from Windsor Harbor to Little Lake Harbor until 8:30 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorms was located along a line extending from near Milwaukee to 35 nautical miles southwest of Milwaukee, moving southeast at 30 knots. Gusty winds and an abrupt wind shift to the northwest extended ahead of the storms. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will impact waters along and just offshore of far northeast Illinois. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. This is NOAA
Make
Weather
sure it's not a
Radio,
triple header.
KW039
Okay.
Chicago. Nearshore waters from Windsor Harbor to Northern Island, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City, mid-late until 1:30 a.m. At 11:25 p.m., strong winds associated with the departing thunderstorm complex were occurring over portions of southern Lake Michigan. Strong southerly winds will likely develop and persist through 1:30 a.m. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. Boaters, especially those under sail, should seek safe harbor immediately until the high winds subside. This is NOAA weather. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Michigan City, open waters from Northerly Island to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 12:15 a.m. At 11:51 p.m., strong southwest to west winds were developing in association with the departing thunderstorm complex. Gusty winds to 40 knots will likely develop and persist through about 2 a.m. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Mariners can expect gusty winds and high waves. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately. This is NOAA Weather Radio. The current time is 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. The Chicago metropolitan area. An excessive heat warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Friday for the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, and Lake. Severe thunderstorm watch number 407 has been issued until midnight Friday for the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, and Lake, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake. 8:55 p.m. Elmhurst, Glen Ellen, Villa Park, and Franklin Park around 9 p.m. Lombard, York Center, Melrose Park, North Lake, Hillside, and Stone Park around